You know, you reach them. Talk to me now. Talk to me now. You know, you reach them. Talk to me now. Talk to me now.
Oh, you speak English now. Hold on.
Yeah, Virgin. Oh, you're reaching them, please.
Oh, you speak English now. Hold on.
Yeah, Virgin. Oh, you're reaching them, please.
Where'd you get hit?
What do you mean, Virgin? Oh, you're
right there.
Where'd you get hit? What do you mean, Virgin? Oh, you're
right there.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
Hey!
Hey!
No.
Yeah, my people. It's another one, another what? Another Jamaican get captured. Another Jamaican bite the dust. Another Jamaican get deported. Another Jamaican land in a ice to the heat, back in a hell. And we're not talking about the cell. We are talking about Jamaica land we love. Or we not love it again, because so much people fly out. Me get dipped from 2002 when Bounty Killer puff Beanie Man chest. But now, Bounty think him can do it to cartel. Because look how the Iceman them a go puff with Jamaican Rick Ross chest. Why are my Jamaicans all running with this Rick Ross image? The bald head and the beard. I turn them head upside down. I turn them frown. I even them frown. Them I turn them whole face upside down. With the ear on top of them head now they under them chin. And where them chin supposed to ball, I just alone have ear like goat chin. But still we feel a way for with Jamaican them we get captured. Even though them not for regret being catch, because anything we reach anyone, just accept it and know that that's you for there. You see? So if them bring you back a yard you for there. If you get where and not get catch, then that did for happen. That Jah say. Zane, kind thing just say, that happen. When just say there's light, there was light. Let there be day and there was day from night. You understand, alright? So I could go in at this. Cause it's crazy. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see if I can turn on the box here. Turn on the box here. Make it louder.
Bluetooth mode.
Turn on the box here.
Connected.
Oh, shit. Alright. Connected. Ready. Watch out.
Your hands. Don't even try it. So, nice hiding spot. Bad attempt.
Yo, this is the Jamaican. Enough of my friends them here look like, you know, he resemble a lot of my friends them. Then, look at his face. He's so shocked. They got him out of his sleep. So, they caught him lapse. They caught him a lapse, not just taking a nap. Right? This is what the Americans call lacking. And the foreigners, the youngsters from abroad, they would call this getting caught lacking. You know what I mean? While we Jamaicans, we would normally say he got caught lapsing. You know, we don't lapse. We don't lack in the streets, man. You know what I mean? But that's just how it is. Accept your fate. We're happy for you, my boy. We're happy that you're coming home. You know, just don't come home here with your criminal intent and treat us like we're the enemies, that we're the one who got your mocking ass caught. Because that's what a lot of Jamaicans who got deported back home, we've called deportee. Right? Jamaicans just different. We have every insulting term for everyone, even for the rich. If you're rich and wealthy and not sick, we've got a name for you. If you're happy and you have no stress, we've got a disrespectful name for you. If you are blessed, we've got the discriminating name for you. If you're loved by God, we've got the discriminated name for you. The most discriminated term for you you'd ever hear or come across, right? Because that's how these Jamaicans, well, my fellow Jamaicans, that's how they deal with even Vibes Cartel, who is the most blessed, loved by God. who works the hardest. He has the work ethics of God, right? Probably even better than God, because Cartel doesn't take a day off. That man created the day Monday, created the animal Tuesday, created the trees Wednesday, created man Thursday. He created the woman, I'm not sure, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and he created more women Monday, and he's been created women from Thursday or Wednesday to Monday again, right through the week. Yeah. So Gaza got that, you see me? Now let's get back into this. Zin? So, remember I told you these cops, these ICE agents that Donald Trump be sending out, I don't know, like from the other day, they've been targeted most Jamaicans. Like when the process had started, they had started out seeking out the Venezuelan, the Mexican, and those type of Latino looking dudes are, MFKRs. I call everyone an MFKRs. Even my own nigga man, I call MFKRs. So those Latino looking MFKRs and those Mexican looking MFKRs, Latino looking MFKRs, Hispanic looking MFKRs, those were the first target, it seems. And then, they started to look for even some white folks who are like Polish and Swedish and, even the sweetest of the Swedish, you know what I mean? But that never lasted long. Right? Looking for the Polish and the Swedish and all of those, similar looking Caucasian. However, all of a sudden it's like Jamaican. Every day Jamaican gotta up and hide and it seems as if no one's gonna escape the wrath of these ICE agents. Let's get back into this.
Hand on the... Turn around!
Oh, shoot! He got clapped 3 times. That was pop, 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 pop. That was rapid burst. Pop, pop, pop. That was 3 shots. Let's check it out again. He got 3 to the stomach, to his abdomen, 3 to his abs. And you're gonna see the whale printing, because these cops, they act gay. They act so gay, they let him lift up his shirt so they could rub his stomach, just so they could. Hey, they're so motherfucking disrespectful, these ICE agents, that it's so entertaining, because they're supposed to act professional, and it may seem professional because they got to check on their cause of damages to the victims, right? Or the suspects. So when they're checking out their suspects and the damage that they had created and caused, they like rubbed his tummy down like a tummy tuck. Listen, man, let's look black at that.
Turn around! Yo, hands, hands! Don't even try it!
Oh, they got him sleeping. He turned over. He's scared. He see big guns. So he thought he's died because, jumping out of that sleep, you would think that it's your enemies. Worse, if you're a gangster like this guy, I assume, then you would think that, the first thing on your mind, you won't be thinking it's cop. You're thinking that it's your worst nightmare enemies, right? So once he's trying to open his eye bright because he heard the loud noise and the command coming from the officer, or even though I told you, he'd be thinking that it's his worst enemy, his worst nightmare, because even your own enemies who are not cops, they will pretend as if they're cops when they catch you lacking, you know what I mean? Or as I say, Jamaican would say, laps. Them catch ya laps. Oh, you have to make them catch ya laps. That is how we Jamaicans say. Dog, you make them catch ya laps. I can't believe they make them catch ya laps, dog. You see me? Yeah.
Nice hiding spot. Bad attempt. Go.
Oh, the shot is coming. He said bad attempt because they told him to roll over on his tummy, right? With his hand behind his back. But he got up on his feet. And, they don't want to tussle with no one. They just want you to obey their orders so they can get over with it as quick as possible and put down another one for the books and go out immediately seeking others and more. Oh, you see? I told you it was 3. Look how far he hit him back.
Turn around!
Oh, he feel the pain from that one. It's shocking. I believe it's a shocking pain. And he just got up out of his sleep. So now his brain is just coming around now to what's really going on. Because when you wake up out of the sleep, you're like shocked, you're easily abused, you're easy to be manhandled, manipulated when you just get up out of the sleep, especially with these sounds, with these weapons, with these costumes, with, you know what I mean, with the teammates that got hit to him. So You'll see him now finally realizing what's really going on. He comes to his senses out of the sleep and he's going to be real pissed, man. But it's too late at that time because they already... That is why these MFKRs in the costume, these cops, they be wilding. They know what they're doing. It may seem mediocre somewhat, but all of what they're doing is to easily accost the suspect, you know? Yeah, to get him in custody, to get him under arrest, under their arrest, you know? And the comments be going crazy, saying that this Jamaican left his good Jamaica to go sleep on a floor abroad, you know? But come on, Jamaica, that's... People sleep on floor anywhere, doesn't matter. Whether you are in another country or your country, there are many Jamaicans here sleeping on the road. What the F are you talking about? No one knows. The people in the comment section had no clue where this guy was laying his head at night here in Jamaica before he had migrated. So who is to say like he's not supposed to be sleeping on floors abroad while he was probably sleeping on floors out here? You know what I mean? Like, come on, dumb people. You know?
Turn around on your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach.
Yeah, my cuss, he's cussing now, he's cursing at them. What are you doing in man's place? That's how the British talk, they mimic us, you know, even though we share close you know, communicational skills like how we pronounce and use certain words, you know, broken language, broken English. We and the British, we share similar, you know, words and slangs over the decades, go way back. We and the British go way back. I mean, even the Americans too. Buffalo soldier. Yeah, but this one ain't no buffalo. They caught this turtle shell here. He's a turtle.
Yeah, them things I'm gonna talk about, but we can't do them things on this time. All up and play some English, please, sir. Young.
Dano, this is really sad. Like, this is when you know you're actually coming back to Jamaica. You know what I mean? You know, like, the things on your mind right here, because I got deported in early 2000. You know, got kicked out of Canada. You know, I was all over that place, wilding out. My picture came in the daily paper over there. You know, my friend saw it, brought it to me, and I pasted it up in my room. They were the ones to tell me what to do with my wanted picture. You know, and I was still attending school at the time. And, you know, there's some real badass MFKRs over there. I was in a bad crew, and I was like the softest nigga, but because I was Jamaican, they thought they had took me for some, you know, real hardcore shit, and I just had to be that hardcore to prove it to them that I could be what they think I am, you know. And I got deported from 2002 when Bunty killer Puff Beanie Man chest that follow the arrow. But Bunty can't try that with cartel, you see me? Cause we are gonna get dipped from Jamaica now. You see me? I said probably to 80 next. Yeah, so watch this.
Find out English, yes? That me I tell him. You know me? I don't know what the f you're talking about. I'm a bad man, you know me?
Yo, look at the mouth. That's a real bad man right there. You see him talk? Yeah, the terms he uses, how his mouth is set, that's a real bad man Jamaica. It seems as if his nose is pierced, but I don't want to believe that. You know? This is more fierce than Sasha Fierce. Oh, they got his billfold and he got braces in. So you don't know it's a Gaza thing. You see? It's a Gaza thing. Yeah. A Gaza thing. I think that youth here, Mobile youth still, you know. Enough Mobile man there, America still, you know. And the Mobile link them join together one way. I don't know if it destroy, you know, but over the years, before the scamming thing, the Mobile youth, them usually known for keep it tight in America and help one another go up the line. You see me? But since the scamming thing, the money get man for double cross and be a thing. But big up the Mobile man them still. You see me? The real one them to know the fake one them where I kill them friend, I sell out them friend, I rob them friend, and I rob people and I kill people where now do them a thing. You see me? I say. Yo, no one can't ask him that. Come on. You gotta find out everything. Yo, right now it's sad. I'm sorry to say. You know, but this is new. This just came in. You see me? So look for Sida brother here in Jamaica probably the next few weeks.
No battery, please charge.
You know, you reach them, please. Talk to me now. Talk to me now.
Oh, you speak English now. Hold on.
Yo, Virgin, how you reaching my place?
Where'd you get hit?
What you mean, Virgin? How you?
Oh, you're right there. Yo, hands, motherfucker, hands. Don't even.
Power off.
Okay, well, hold on. Yeah, my people, a mad thing, again. This is crazy, boy. It's crazy. Crazy. Yes, I know see what reach Jamaican. Go play it back. Everything for us see.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around on your stomach. On your stomach. On your stomach. Push it.
Why they gotta play that music though? Like that seems like a disrespect. I think the music was sent by the ICE agent. You know, they added that music, that scene, that soundtrack there to the body cam footage.
English, please, sir. No. Soon find out English, yes? Let me tell him. You know me? I don't know what you're talking about. When I fight, man, you know me?
So you know they're mocking him saying speak English, but you can't blame them for saying that because he's speaking our Jamaican broken English, which we call patois Creole. We like the patois. We don't like the Creole. The Creole sound too soft and you know it's like it sound like cookies and cream or some Oreo type of cream shit or you know. His wallet seemed very thick. So like he got a lot of papers in there. Imagine if they were to ask him how he reached in their place. Imagine if one of the cops said, how did you reach in our place? This is our country. You know what I mean? So you don't really want to ask them those questions to get an answer with another question that you can't answer with not even another question.
Oh, you speak English now. Hold on.
Yo, Virgin, how you reaching my place?
Where'd you get hit?
What you mean, Virgin?
Oh, you're right there.
You see that? See that? They tie him down and touching his abs and looking at it. They be looking at his abs and type shit. Hey, you could see them taking him out of the apartment. You know? You could tell that it's not like an apartment. Because it's got this hallway. You know, most apartments got these hallway. Yeah, it got the hallway. Hallway. It's not all the way. An hallway. Where you walk down the hall, not the aisle. Mind this right here. 20 minutes, damn.